Cinema often begins with a quiet moment of inspiration. In Muscat, that moment was brought to the screen as the Ministry of Culture, Sports and Youth announced the winners of the Tawasul Youth Short Film Award 2025. The top award was claimed by the film Sound of Earth, recognized for its artistic depth and expressive storytelling.
It is actually with a pride to announce our success with the film حس الأرض. It's about the sound of earth, and we are actually so happy to be announced as the first place in this competition. It came up after hard working alongside with the team working behind the film. We got inspired to make this film after reading تغريبة القافر for Dr. Zahran Al-Qasmi for the ancient profession for tracing.
Second place went to the film Forbidden Flowers, while the film 25 Hour secured third place. This year's edition recorded strong engagement, with 46 short films submitted, reflecting the growing interest of Omani youth in cinematic expression.
This idea coming from the gossips in the 80s, because they don't have any phone, anything to connect, but they are still spreading gossips, and that will destroy a lot of families, generation after generation. They destroy this, and this what we focusing. And our feeling in this film, it's so beautiful. I can't explain it, because a lot of hard working, a lot of the team sitting for a lot of time working in this, and that's their works, and they're proud of all single minutes they spend on it.
We are very happy to be here at this Tawasul Award. It's been a pleasure to be here with filmmakers of Oman. Our film talks about a young man that found a watch at the desert, and that watch can stop the time for 1 hour. That is count the 25 hour, and he faced some issues during the film.
Fourth place was awarded to the film A Dialogue with the Past, followed by the film Ring in fifth place. Open to a wide range of film genres, the award continues to highlight diverse, innovative voices, with the announcement coinciding with World Cinema Day. Behind every frame is a creative voice, and through the Tawasul Award, those voices are finding a platform where stories reach the screen. Reporting from Muscat, this is Saleh bin Khalfan al-Rahbi.